Warm greetings, my dear first BCom B section students. This is M. Gautaman, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce. Welcome all of you to the new academic year 2020-21. I am confident that the year ahead will be full of rewarding experience and you will find unlimited opportunities to enjoy campus life by learning, exploring and engaging together. I wish all the very best for your future endeavors and God bless you all. Thank you. This is my YouTube channel G-Man Blogs. It can be created only because for my students to enrich knowledge and get updated themselves. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel G-Man Blogs and get all my online video classes instantly. Thank you. In this semester, I am going to take business law. This is the second main paper in your first semester, business law. The subject code for this paper is BCGN112. This semester, I am going to take business law for you all. This is the second main paper in your first semester. Paper code for this subject is BCGN112. Business law is a sharing paper. I am sharing this paper along with my peer staff, Dr. K. Bhanumati. First 3 units will be handled by me. Last units, that means 4 and 5, will be handled by Dr. K. Bhanumati. In this video, I am just sharing a syllabus alone. Once the video is out, I am sharing PPT file and Word file along with this video. You all please download those files and write it in your business law note. Put a separate note for this business law subject. In the first page, you all write the syllabus of this subject. Before we begin our today class, there is a disclaimer called for this online video class. This presentation is meant for education purposes only, which holds no legal validity. In first unit, we are going to discuss about Law of Contract 1872, Nature of Contract, Classification, Offer and Acceptance, Capacities of Parties to Contract, Free Consent, Consideration, Legality of Object, Agreement declared void, Performance of Contract, Discharge of Contract, Remedies for breach of contract. Under unit 2, this is a simple unit. There we can going to discuss about special contracts, indemnity and guarantee, contract of agency. In unit 3, we are going to discuss about Sale of Goods Act 1930, formation of contracts of sale, goods and their classification, price, conditions and warranties, transfer of property in goods, performance of contract of sale, unpaid seller and its sides, sale by auction and hire purchase agreement. These are the following text and reference book for this subject. For this subject, I am referring N.D. Kapoor by N.D. Kapoor book Business Law, publication Sultan Chand and Sons, New Delhi. So you all get these books in your nearest bookstall. This is a theory paper. This is a question paper pattern which can be asked for your Pondicherry University examination. For your university examination, you are going to write only for 75 marks. Remaining 25 marks will be given by your department based on your performance in midterm test, attendance and obedience. So throughout the year, throughout the degree, you are going to write only for 75 marks in Pondicherry University examination. 25 marks will be given by our department based on your performance in midterm test, right? So this is a theory paper, and also this is a second main paper in your first semester. First main paper is financial accounting, second main paper is business law. So this is a theory paper. So this is a question paper pattern which can be asked in your Pondicherry University examination. There are 3 sections. Section A, 2 mark 2 marks. 5 2 marks will be answered. Each question carries 2 marks, so 5 into 2, 10 marks. Under section B, 8 question will be asked. Out of 8, 5 should be answered. 5 into 7, each question carries 7 marks. 5 into 7, 35 marks. In section C, there are 3 questions. Out of 3, out of which 2 questions will be answered. Each questions carry 15 marks. So 2 into 15, I will get 30 marks. 30 plus 35 plus 10, 75 marks. Right. Actually, this video class I am just sharing a syllabus alone. Once a video is out, you all should download PPT file and Word file. Download it and write in your business law note, in the first page, write a syllabus alone for 5 units. This is our course module for this subject. Today, 4th November 2020, forenoon class. This is an introduction class. I'm just sharing a syllabus alone. Mode of teaching, WhatsApp and YouTube. Next class will be on Saturday afternoon. Unit 1 introduction. Right. Hope you all know about business law and a syllabus. So all should write syllabus in your first page of your note. This is about today class. We'll see rest in the next class. Thank you so much and God bless you all.